Hi, this video is for week 2, CST through 35, covering MySQL exercises. Just get right into it. So number 1, using the orders table, write a query showing all order status settings once using group by. So we can see we're selecting status from orders and grouping by status. That's exactly what we have for output. Number 2, we want to write a query, 2 queries, one for showing average markup on all products, and then one for average markup in a product line. So for the all markup on all products, we're just selecting the average of MSRP divided by buy price times 100, and labeling that as average markup from classic products. And then the second query is written the same, except we're calling it markup and product line, and then we're grouping by product line. So this is the first query, the results on that, and the second result query. Number 3, show orders that have a value greater than $5,000. For that, we're selecting order number and then the sum of price each times quantity ordered as order total. From the order details table, grouping by order number, and then order total needs to have a total greater than 5,000. And we can see that all of our totals there are over 5,000. Number 4, report the account representative for each customer. Show the customer name and the name of the account representative. So on this one, I'm selecting customer name, and I'm concatenating the customer contact first name and last name as contact name, and then concatenating the first name and last name of the customer rep. We're doing that pulling from tables and joining the employees table on sales rep, employee ID number, and employee ID number. And that'll essentially pull the sales rep number over and from each table, infer, and then it'll be able to draw the first and last name off of that. And as we can see, it gives us the customer name, contact names, and then the sales rep for all those. On the fifth query, we want to report the number of customers for each representative. So on that one, it's the same kind of idea. I did a count on distinct customer numbers as number of customers, and then concatenated the first and last name on the customer rep again. We're doing it from customers, joining tables on sales rep number and employee number again, grouping by sales rep employee number, and ordering it by the number of customers in descending order, which that was also part of the requirement. So go ahead and look, and you can see we've got the descending order with the number of customers and then the customer rep name. Number 6, show the employee number, last name, first name, office code, and office city for office codes 1, 4, and 5. So on this one, I selected employee number from employees, last name, first name from employees, and then office code and city from offices. And we're doing queries from the employees table and offices table, and joining on office code for both employees and offices tables. So when we do that, sorry I had to stop it for a minute because it just wasn't showing up. I don't know what the deal was. I reran it and it seemed to like it that time, so I don't know. Anyway, we were wanting to only show offices with codes 1, 4, and 5. And we wanted the employee number, last name, first name, and office code and office city for those office codes. We can see we have office codes that I didn't ask for because I didn't query for them. Hold on. All right. Again, sorry, I had to pause it for some reason before my where clause got deleted. Don't know why, don't know how, but we were needing to do a where code. Office code is 1 or 4 or 5. We can see this is the output for that. And on number 7, we wanted a query that shows all information for the head office where the president works. This is how I did mine. I did select all from offices and employees where job title is like president, and just limited it to 1 because we want the only one that would be the main one she would be at. I didn't know another way of doing. Well, I know of other ways of doing this. However, if I were just trying to find on a basic search of where I'm looking for the head office is where the president must be. So that's how I did the search. And then we can see we get that information back as correct. Again, thank you for dealing with the pauses and the weird breaks. Until next time, hui ho.